Hi, this is Happy Bird from happybirdsglitternest.blogspot.com, and I wanted to show you a couple of Mother's Day tags that I made. I already shared this on my Facebook, so I thought I'd share it here. Everything I've incorporated into these tags, I've already showed you how to do in a video. So it was really easy to put together because once you have all of these embellishments pre-made, then all you have to do is just attach them to the tags, so it goes fairly quickly. And a few videos back I showed you how to do these little lace embellishments with the upcycled Dollar Tree flowers and the Easy Bead sprays. So I just attached this here with some hot glue. And then of course I showed you all about the wood butterflies and where to find them on eBay for really cheap and how to glitz them up. And then I added a little filigree here with E6000 and hot glue, and I added a resin cameo to it. You can go on eBay and type in the words resin cameo and a whole bunch of these will pop up. And then of course I made my little word sentiments like I showed you how to do. I just print out my own on Word and then cut like a little cloud shape around them, and then line it with gold leafing pin, and then I just added some triple thick on top. That's why it's shiny. And then the bottom part here, I just glued a little earring bail on the back with E6000, and after it dried I attached these little acrylic hearts that were gifted to me by a good friend, and I attached it with a 7mm jump ring. And then, of course, I gave you the tag pattern here and my little envelope pattern on the back. I'm going to place a gift card in there. And I just glued this over the bail there and kind of covered it. And then I attached a glittery little ribbon, and I put a little eyelet in here. I showed you all about that. So basically everything that I incorporated into these tags I've already showed you. At the very end of this video I'll place a couple of thumbnails on the screen that you can click on to show you how to make these embellishments and these butterflies if you're new to my channel. And if you are new, also please check out my other pick-me-up tag videos. I think you'll really enjoy them. So with that said, I hope you have a very blessed Mother's Day, and I hope you give these a try. They really are a lot of fun. So you take care, and God bless. Bye-bye.